Hello friends, this is from Karvil Machinery technology company in China. Here is the new finished 5 liters model lab scale needle mixer for Australia client. For this mixer, it is used for the mixing of powder thermoplastics. The whole part, including the control cabinet, we use stainless steel, both outside and inside. This is a mixing chamber, and especially we make the whole mixer explosion-proof type for the motor and heater, as well as the control cabinet. And we use Siemens brand motors as a driving system for the Sigma blade driving and the discharging screw driving. This is a mixing chamber. This is a lid, 2 windows, one with light. This is a discharging screw. End part we equipped a manifold. This is the inside situation. We make a material contact part mirror polish. Double Sigma blades on both sides. Middle bottom a discharging screw. Okay. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, please don't hesitate to contact us for more information. This is from Karvil Machinery technology company in China. Thanks for watching.